iTunes not working, detecting iPhone quick fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the iTunes not working, especially for detecting an iPhone. So first of all, there are many problems people are facing detecting the newer iPhones. Like it's unable to detect the iPhone on the iTunes. So let's right jump onto the video. So first of all, you can know that the common symptoms for iTunes not recognizing iPhone can be iPhone not showing up in iTunes when connected, grayed out or inaccessible options in the device menu with iTunes, and the iPhone is charging but iTunes doesn't recognize it. And you can fix iTunes not detecting phone, let me give tell you something. Like you can check your connections, begin by verifying that your USB cable is in good condition, test a different cable if you have one available. A faulty or damaged cable can disrupt the connection between your iPhone and computer, and you can restart your devices. Restarting both your iPhone and computer can resolve many minor software issues like iTunes not finding iPhone. And you have to check for trust this computer when you connect your iPhone to a computer for the first time or after resetting your device. You should see a prompt asking if you want to trust this computer. Ensure that you tap trust to establish a secure connection and allow your computer to access your iPhone's data. And uh, the common tips is for fix iTunes not recognizing iPhone. You can see that using an older version of iTunes when a newer version of iTunes is available can cause the problem of iPhone not showing up on computer windows. You can just update your iTunes app, or you can just uninstall and reinstall the newer version of the iTunes. And you can also update operating system, like you can update your Windows PC and check for if there is any update available for you, and you just have to click on the update or download now button and install the update it's requiring. You can also update your phone if the previous methods doesn't work with you. You can open the settings app on your iPhone and tap the general option from the list and next press software update. And these are the things you can just follow to fix the problem that iTunes not working, like detecting iPhone. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.